Today we're cleaning up our chicken run, making some fun additions that will make it look better this summer, and testing toys the internet says our chickens will like. Stay tuned to find out which ones they liked and which ones they couldn't care less about. First on the list is this 12 by 16 area. I'm installing a grid of galvanized wires across the whole area that vines will grow on. It should look pretty cool this summer and provide some shade as well for the chickens. We're always concerned with managing heat, so this might help. We've got some vines in mind that will grow really fast, and we'll plant them in pots outside the run so they'll have a chance before the chickens have their way with them. We'll see how that goes and keep you posted. The next little upgrade comes to us from Pinterest. There's all these really awesome chicken toys that look fun, easy, and entertaining for the chickens. We've got a bunch of scrap lumber, so we figured why not. First up is a roosting tree of sorts. Just a 4x4 in the ground with some branches to roost on. We had some extra boards, so we made another smaller one. We also saw this cool bridge, so I slapped one of those together too. Quick and easy. Emily had the idea to set up a temporary inner fence so we can plant some things that will look really awesome and that can even feed the chickens later this summer and fall. So we used some surplus T-posts and chicken wire and made it happen. No idea if this will work, but we're giving it a try. If they don't grow, it won't be for lack of fertile soil. This is about as good as it gets around here. Sunny helped herself in to check the place out. She's always such a good helper. Two more Pinterest toys to finish things off. A couple simple swings. And finally a spinning bike wheel. We made a quick post on our local community Facebook group for an old unwanted bike, and minutes later we had more offers than we could possibly use. Here's our finished product. Oh, before I forget, one more addition. Old tires filled with good stuff for dust bathing. Dust bathing is the way they clean their feathers. It helps to control parasites and prevents the feathers from becoming too oily. They prefer loose, dry soil or sand, so we mixed something up and filled these tires. In other news, we had our septic tanks pumped this week. We don't pay city utilities, but the $500 pump fee more than made up for it. Not so glorious as all the chicken fun, but necessary nonetheless on the homestead. Out in the garden, we're working smarter, not harder. We had bets on if the plastic would give way first or the strap. Plastic won. And things sure are waking up around here. We've got blueberries, cabbage looking good, onions, those sure are the best low maintenance crops, spinach, more cabbage, and tiny little peas looking like they're off to a great start. Our frost date is March 15th, but our 10-day forecast is looking good, so we hope we're in the clear. This is Ruby. She's due any day now, so she's hanging out with Sunny while we keep a close eye on her. She's the most laid-back heifer ever, so she's an easy keeper, and we're hoping she calves with no problems. Well, our final assessment of the internet toys for chickens, they're a bust. Our chickens could not care less about them. I guess that means they're not bored and don't need to be entertained. They do really like the tire dust baths though, so those were a success. We may even add a few more of those. But we are excited about growing vines and plants, so we'll provide updates as they grow and see how they do. Come back for updates on Ruby. It's gotta be soon. We hope you have a great day.